If you are looking for the best motorcycle lock, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. YOHOOLYO Disc Lock Alarm. Made from pure steel, the disc brake lock is compact and versatile. It can practically be installed from any angle, regardless of the wheel's positions. Its 360 adjustability freedom allows it to be one of the versatile tools which can be considered on motorcycles, enduro bikes, sports bikes, scooters, and regular bikes. The padlock comes with included batteries and even with replacement batteries. One of the best parts about using the disc brake lock is that its alarm will start sounding less sharp when batteries fade. It is a signal that they need to be replaced. Number 2. Tchipie Disc Brake Lock. If the motion sensor warning beeps, don't do it. The bright red coloring on this wheel lock should. The bright color will let everyone know you have locked up to your bike with a powerful security system. Once triggered, the alarm should send out a very high-pitched sound that will scare most anyone away from your motorcycle. The alarm sounds at 100 decibels and should hurt anyone's ears. Plus, this wheel lock works with a variety of bike brands to keep all motorcycles safe. 3 keys are included so you can safely take the lock off. Number 3. Kryptonite Keeper 5's Disc Lock. This compact, lightweight, and weatherproof lock features a dual-reinforced high-security disc-style cylinder. Its 5mm pin diameter fits smaller vent holes. This stapler-style disc lock immobilizes vehicles to prevent roll-away or ride-away theft. It comes with a bright orange reminder cable and 2 stainless steel keys. This lock is well-made, durable, and easy to put on and remove. It's small enough to fit in your riding jacket pocket or a handlebar pouch, and it's highly visible, making it a great deterrent. Number 4. The GLBlack 810 Utility Lock. This weather-resistant utility lock can secure a variety of items, including motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, patio furniture, and tools. The length adjusts from 8.5 inches up to 11.5 inches and is 6.25 inches wide on the inside. Its extra heavy-duty construction withstands more than 1,500 pounds of pressure. The vinyl coating tempered steel protects your motorcycle from scratches and scrapes. The lock is large and has a long reach, making it convenient to lock in awkward positions. Number 5. GLBlack GLBlack Motorcycle and Scooter Handlebar Security Lock. This lock fits 95% of all motorcycles and its twist grip ranges in size from 27 to 38 mm. It contains hardened steel rods for maximum protection. It's lightweight, compact, and the reinforced nylon casing protects the lock from corrosion. It is mounted on the handlebar and locks both throttle grip and brake lever. It takes less than 10 seconds to put it on and take it off. This lock holds the brake down solidly so you cannot move the bike when it's parked. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.